Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am planning the week of Monday, May 7th to Sunday, May 13th in my Erin Condren Hourly Neutral. It is Mother's Day week, so I will be using the Scribble Prints Co. I think it was the March Mystery Kit. I do have like a ton of extras. Plus, I will be bringing in like those are the extras, hold on. So I will be bringing in like a bunch of gold foil as well because I am a mom and I deserve all the gold foil. I'm really excited about that. So this is like a huge kit, plus I have all the extras, plus I'm going to bring in foil. So I'm really hoping to be able to use this in my B6 as well, which I don't think will be a problem. So here are the glitter headers. And then, okay, so these are the extra full boxes. They're cut up because I used them as part of a TN setup actually. My pocket, which is linked down in the description below, that was like my pre-baby one. So these are the full boxes, but I had used like all the brown haired girls. I have brown hair, so I wanted some of them for this spread, and I'm getting ready to swap out that TN setup anyways, so I just grabbed them out. And here is the Happy Mother's Day box. I can't decide if I'm going to use this as the thankful thought or on Mother's Day. I might use it on Mother's Day. Anyway, here are the Simply Gilded washies I picked out that kind of match with this kit. And like I said, I'm going to be bringing in a bunch of foil. So tossing it over to the voiceover to keep going. One day I will be able to do a talk through plan with me again, but probably not for a while. Once my son is on a more like regular nap schedule, maybe I will give it another shot. But anyway, so I am going to cut down this bottom washi to mix in some Simply Gilded. I decided to try and like measure it a little bit this week because last week I cut it so unevenly. So just trying to be a little bit more precise. And it actually did work, even though I just kind of like eyeball measured it. So obviously Sunday is Mother's Day. I'm not sure what we're doing yet. Last year I went all out with like a full spa day thing and it was so amazing. But this year my son is definitely too small to leave for like that long, even with dad. I'm not ready for that. But hopefully I can do like a little something, maybe just a pedicure or something. It's been a while. But also my mom and dad are going to be in that weekend, and they are both coming, which sounds like a normal thing, but actually my parents are divorced, so it's a little bit funny, but it really works for us. My parents have been divorced since I was a little kid, but they are super friendly. Actually, I think they would tell you they're each other's best friends, and we do most of our stuff like all as a family, and even my dad's girlfriend's not coming this time, but even when she comes and stuff, we still do stuff like all as family, but although that does make things a little more difficult. Anyway, I am laying down some Rose Colored Days date covers. These are like the geodes. I wasn't sure about these when I got them in the mail, but I love how they look in the spread. So I am like renewed faith in these, and obviously everything she does is so amazing and so foilicious. And then I am going to put a little bit more Simply Gilded washi at the top as well. But anyway, so I will be sharing the Mother's Day celebrations with my own mama, which is actually nice. I don't mind because like I feel like once you become a mom, you kind of appreciate your parents a little bit more, like all the things that they did for you that you don't remember when you were a baby and a toddler, etc. But anyway, the only issue with that is we have like super very different ideas of an ideal day. Like, my ideal day and her ideal day would look completely different. I actually am kind of like a carbon copy of my dad's personality. It's really funny because my brother is like so much like my mom. So it's just weird how stuff works out sometime. But anyway, so hopefully we can find something that we will both enjoy. Those teeny tiny date dots that I use and I'll use on this side are from Simply Watercolor Co. I picked those up, I think, on a $2 Tuesday or Simply Foil Tuesday, and they are like super, super small, which is actually kind of nice for these more centered date covers, like the double days and these geode ones where the writing is centered, because I feel like you can just kind of squeeze them in anywhere. So I'm really happy that I had those. And I am, once again, just justifying all my stickers to the left side. I did that last week, and it just, like, saves a lot of time and makes it easier to lay things down straight. And, like, I feel like you can't really tell once the spread is finished anyways. I do wish that, like, these columns were the same width as the vertical columns, so it fit perfectly. But whatever. I didn't order a new Erin Condren yet on the release days. I want to stick with this planner, I decided. And I feel like the temptation to switch would be too great if I got the new one, unless I ordered from January to December. And then in that case, like, what's the rush? I'm going to probably wait for the Black Friday sale or some other big sale. But I have been thinking about switching to vertical. And I really do want to try that out, except for that I feel like by the time I need my next year planner, I'm going to be back at work part-time, so then I might still want the hourly. So I have like a real dilemma, but I will probably have some time to decide once I go back to work, which won't be until the fall. But I will have like a couple months to see if I still like the hourly or the vertical, or I could pick up hourly TN inserts and use that for work. So I have a lot of options. So I may be switching to vertical, but for right now, I am going to be just sticking to this. I like the idea of like making it all the way through this planner, and it is like so beautiful. I've been doing decorative planning in the whole time, so I'm really just want to, and I want to keep them and save them, so I'm going to stick with this for now. So I decided to go with the necklace box for my sidebar, the necklace girl. I just really like that, and I'm going to use all of the girls in the kit this week, so I thought putting one on the sidebar was a good idea. And I will be doing a weekly ombre for my Instagram posts, so sort of like top 3 to-do lists, which is nice to be able to see, and then like a word or phrase of the week as well. And then I decided to use the pattern washi with script words from Rose Colored Days in foil over for headers this week. So then I just put some more Simply Gilded washi at the bottom to sort of see how much space I had left for the half box and how much like washi surrounding that I would need. So I like my sidebar, but I'm not like enamored with it. So if you do anything cool in your sidebar, let me know in the comments below. I do like most of my listing in my TN now or in my bullet journal before that. So I don't really like need that in the sidebar. I do like having some of the stuff in there, but I'm willing to try something new. So let me know if you do anything cool with your sidebar. So I am just going to finish this out with a script of Skinny Bow washi since it fit kind of perfectly and I had like that little bit of extra space. And then I am ready to pop things open to do my full boxes. Okay, once I had things open, I realized I hadn't put a flag down, so I decided to use a foiled flag from Clever Cow Crafts. I don't know what colorway that is, but it's like a really bright pink that's like pretty similar to the brighter pink that's in the kit, so I really like that. And then I decided not to use a flag on the other side and just keep the washi running all the way across. So putting down the full boxes, I am going to use all 3 girls. I already used the mom necklace, obviously, and I just put down the girl mom, and then I will put down the boy mom as well. I do have a son and a daughter, so I thought that would be fun. I did not use the double box. I had like a little double box that went with that cookie and a present, but I just decided to use just the one. I just wasn't really feeling it, and I really like the up, down, so it's got to be like a really special double box for me to want to use it. Anyway, and then I decided to use glitter headers this week. I used the pink for above the full boxes, and I'm going to use a blue for the other ones. I just, was feeling a little sparkly. Anyway, so I put all the stuff down on the bottom, and then I do the tops. It's just a little bit easier for me to do that way with the spacing. And then as well, I'm going to bring in some foiled overlays. All of these overlays are from Rose Colored Days, and then, oh my gosh, this one, I like put it down so crooked, and then I tried to rip it up, and I like totally ruined the sticker. These do not pull up like at all. I don't even think you can undo them. Anyway, so I lost that full box. This kit had a ton of full boxes, so I'm not that mad about the full box, but I am super sad that I lost that overlay because those things are crazy expensive, and I don't have a ton of them. But I do really like how it looks once I got it all, put down and figured out. So anyway, then I just used the darker teal glitter headers after that tragedy as my other header. And I'm going to layer that with some Sadie stickers bow scripts that say today, and I got those on $2 Tuesday, and I really wish I had ordered like 1,000 times more of those because I am sadly already out of the today ones, and I just think they're so cute. So that is like the foundational stuff, but before I really go day by day, I'm going to put down like sort of the things that I have for every day. So one is my meal little things. I toyed with the idea of like not putting them in because I do use a meal planning insert in my B6 Traveler's Notebook, but I actually really just like having them in my Erin Condren as well. So maybe like eventually I'll think about taking them out, but I have the space for them right now, and it's just like a fun, easy way to see like if we stuck to the plan or what we had going on this week. And you can bring in fun character stickers occasionally, so I like having them in there. So in they stay for now. Then I decided to put down this weekend banner that is a gold foiled one from Rose Shadow Collection. I really want some clear sticker paper weekend banners that are foiled. I think that's like would be so perfect for putting over bottom washi, etc. I'm not sure who has those though. So I'll have to take a look. Anyway, I'm sure someone does. So then I also have been marking my steps every day, and I liked having that in the planner. And I've also been like writing down like what walk route we take if we take a walk, or which we do almost every day. So I decided to use these foiled fitness boxes from Rose Colored Days again this week for that. And then I'm also gonna like make a note of what my workout is, because I am planning on doing a little bit more working out this week, since I am participating in this fitness challenge that starts on Monday. But also Monday, which you'll see in a second, I have my 6-week postpartum appointment, which is actually the appointment label that I'm putting down right now, or after I straighten this box, and I should be like cleared to exercise at that appointment officially. I feel really great, so I'm sure I will be, because I was after last time when I wasn't feeling as great. So anyway, so I'm planning to start working out as well, and I'll use those foiled boxes for writing all things fitness down for the week. Then that pink half box is actually to mark down the start of my fitness challenge, which is the Tone It Up Bikini series. I will link it in the description below. It's like a free challenge, and it's really fun and just like, I don't know, pretty lighthearted. And they post like a ton of videos and stuff. I really, really like that. I think I talked a little bit about that last week as well. Then that backwards little thing is to mark my nanny hours for the week. And I put down a glitter header with a bow because the Scribble Prints Co. TN kits go on sale, and they look so cute from the sneaks. So I wanted to mark that down because I will definitely be picking up one of those. I will go back through at the end with more like character stickers. Then on Tuesday, again, my nanny is coming, and I don't really have like anything specific that I need to do. I will probably do some editing, and then as well just like some fun crafting TN type stuff. I'm still like working on setting up my fitness TN, which I'm starting to use some of these inserts next week, so I really do want to get that finished, getting that set up. I'm just like having this problem where I can't decide what foil color to use, because I have like all these gorgeous rose gold journaling cards, but all these like gorgeous gold accessories. So I'm really facing a dilemma. Then on Wednesday, I will have another video. It's going to be a haul, and as usual, we have story time at the library. And as well, I have been weighing my son on Wednesday mornings, just because we don't really seem to be going to the doctor that frequently compared to like a first baby. So just making sure he's gaining weight. Anyway, sorry for that abrupt cut. My camera cut out there. But on Thursday, as per usual, we have swim class. And my nanny is coming in the afternoon. And then as well on Thursdays, I usually do like a good deal of filming, or at least I try to. Nap cooperation required as per usual. And then on Friday, our cleaning people are coming, and as well we have story time at the library. And while I still had like a clear path in the middle, as I mentioned, my parents are coming this weekend, so I wanted to put down a washi strip for that. So I brought in some of the some more of those green skinny bows, and those are from the Candy Bows collection. Anyway, so then I went back with a cleaning icon from the freebie on the kit, but then I found a foiled one after, and I kind of regretted that, but I decided to just leave it Yeah, so anyway, as I mentioned, story time at the library every Friday morning. It's honestly like the cutest little activity ever, and my daughter gets to see all her like tiny little friends. It's so cute. And these scripts are from station stickers. The library ones are customs, and the swimming she actually keeps in the shop. And then good old Scribble Prints Co, they do a flight tracker in every kit, so I did have a flight tracker for this kit, so I decided to use that for my parents' flight. Saturday is one of my daughter's little friend's birthdays, and on Sunday it is Mother's Day, so I wanted to use this gold foiled sticker from Rose Colored Days, which are like the clear holidays. Even though the full box says Happy Mother's Day, I just wanted to put that in too. And then as well, my Plan With Me will go up as usual, so I decided to use the one that comes on the freebie from the kit for this video. Oh, and that happy birthday script is from my Noise Addictions collab with the Planner Sophisticate. So just going back in and adding in some like decos and character stickers and some foiled Clever Gal Craft kit hearts. And so the other foil stuff is from Rose Colored Days, and that bow is the bows are from Simply Watercolor Co. Everything will be linked in the description below. Those teal bows and all of the other character stickers that aren't munchkins are actually from Scribble Prints Co, and the munchkins are Once More With Love as usual. Like I said, just check the description below, and I do tag everything on Instagram as well. So that is everything for this week. So I am going to turn off the camera and get this all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, that is everything all filled out. All of my writing I did in this Tombow Mono drawing pen number 3. I've been playing around with different fine liners, and I really am liking this one. It wrote really well on the glossy sticker paper as well. This looks so gorgeous. I love the foil and the colors. I am just really feeling this. Plus I have a ton of leftovers, and I'm going to use this in my B6 probably next week, but maybe in a couple weeks, I'm not sure. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and definitely check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Bye!